In today's video, I am going to teach you how to signature add-on for Google Forms. Start by opening your Google form in edit mode. This can be a brand new form or an existing one you already use. Once the form editor is on screen, look toward the top right area for the menu that lets you access extra tools. Click that menu, then choose the option for Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can install tools that expand what Google Forms can do. In the search bar, type Signature to find signature-related add-ons. From the results, select Signature in Google Forms by below vertical bar, Sign PDF. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct add-on, since the marketplace often shows similar names. Now click Install. Google will guide you through a few confirmation screens. Click Continue when prompted, then follow the Google permissions flow. You may be asked to confirm your account and approve access. Read the permission prompts carefully, then continue through the remaining approval screens until the installation finishes and you return to your form. Back in the form editor, open the Add-ons or Extensions menu again. You should now see Signature in Google Forms by below vertical bar, Sign PDF listed there. Click it to launch the add-on. When it opens, proceed by clicking the highlighted option in the add-on panel, then move forward to the next screen. At this point, the add-on opens a guided setup and preview in a separate page. Continue by clicking Next. On the following screen, click into the highlighted fields and type the requested details. Enter the information exactly as needed for your form, then click Next again. Now you will see the area that says Add your signature here. Click inside the signature box to add a signature. Use the available option that is highlighted on screen, then confirm it using the next highlighted selection so the signature is applied properly. When everything looks correct, click Submit to finish. Finally, return to your Google Form tab and click the highlighted option shown at the end to confirm the add-on is connected and ready for use. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.